WeCP lets you assess a TypeScript developer on their hands-on expertise with TypeScript. Let's see how it works. After you send the TypeScript assessment to the candidate opens the assessment on their browser. On the left side of your window, you are given a problem statement where you are asked to create a TypeScript class for a book entity. The book class should have the following fields: book ID, title, and author. You have to write a constructor for the book class that takes the book ID, title, and author as parameters. You also have to create a method called display_details that logs the book details to the console in the given format. You have to implement the book class in the filebook.ts to complete your assessment. You can find this file in the source folder on the right side of your window. In this file, you are given an incomplete code stub that you have to complete. Let's complete our code. Here we created a book class with the required member, created a constructor with book ID and title as parameters. We have also created display_details method. Finally, we created an object of the book class named myBook with the given sample data and called display_details method on it. Let's run our code. Here you can see we got the output in the terminal with the sample data in the expected format. Let's test and submit our code against the provided test cases. You can see that our code is passing all the test cases. Hence, we have finished our TypeScript assessment.